Hey guys, welcome to Social Net. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how to enable and use Nearby Share on Android devices. Google has brought a number of really handy features to Android platform lately. One of such features is Nearby Share, a Bluetooth service which allows you to easily share files and other bits of information with nearby Android devices. Recent updates to the Google Play Store also makes it possible to share apps with nearby users. Say, for example, you have an app you think a user needs to have. Instead of that, user have to go through the Google Play Store, search for the app and locate the correct app, then install the app. You can simply share it with them. It's just as easy as sharing something through any other app on your phone. But you should know, however, that not all these apps can be shared in this way. For example, apps you have either paid for or side-loaded cannot be shared. Now, in order to use Nearby Share on your Android device, both the sender and receiver will need to have the latest version of Google Play installed, and will also need to have Nearby Share enabled. Now, in order to enable Nearby Share on your Android device, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to your settings on your phone and tap on it to open. Now scroll down and go to the Google entry. Once you tap on it, you can see the device and sharing option here. Click on it. Then tap on Nearby Share option. Once you tap on it, make sure that the on and off slider is set to on. Once both sender and receiver devices have Nearby Share enabled, you are ready to share an app. Now go to your home screen and open Google Play Store. Once you are into the page, you can go to the top right corner and tap on the profile icon. Here you can see Manage App and Device option. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you should see Share Apps option available under the Overview section. Now in here you see two options available, Send and Receive. So if you are a receiver, you tap on Receive, and if you are a sender, you tap on Send. For now, I'll be the sender, and in order to share the apps, I'll tap on Send. Now in here you see the apps that are on your mobile device. In order to share these apps, now you need to select the apps you wish to send. And now once you have selected the app you want to send, go to the send icon and tap on it. Now the receiver must confirm the pairing code. Then the receiver will select which apps to install. Now the apps will be quickly delivered from the sender to receiver. And best of luck to you all. You don't need to be on the same Wi-Fi or cellular network to share apps now. Nearby Share does take a bit of the guesswork out of the picture. This is especially so when you are trying to get a friend or colleague to install an app on the device that isn't the easiest to find in the Google Play Store. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.